Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a super cool Fendi Hobo to show you today, and it's in this Fendi Zucca fabric. And I really like the Fendi Zucca fabric. I think it's got a really cool kind of like 90s feel to it. So I'll talk you through the features. So we have got one top handle. You can see that's adjustable on either side. So we've got it on the longest setting at the minute. And then we've got that Fendi embossed into that leather top handle there. And then we have a magnetic press stud opening. So just opens up like that. And then inside we have got, just on the back here, I'll try and get it so you can see it in the light. We've got one flat pocket here and another flat pocket just here as well. The condition of this bag, the interior and the hardware we've called good. The only thing that I can see with the hardware, where it's just starting to show a little bit of wear, as you can see on that gold tone, it's just starting to kind of wear a little bit just there and scratch a little bit. It's the same on either side, you can see there, but for the most part it's still got that lovely shiny gold tone. The press stud fastening, again, it's just got a little bit of wear to it, but it's mostly that lovely shiny gold. Interior, again, you can just tell that it has been used before. You can see just on this fabric here, there's a few marks here and there, and it's similar throughout the lining of the bag. So that's why we have called the interior good. The exterior we've called very good. This Fendi Zucca fabric is in gorgeous condition. I'll show you the corners. You can see, you can tell they're not brand new, but they are in lovely condition, each of those corners. And for the most part, that fabric is still very, very nice. There's just a couple of small marks just on the front here. You can see just there, there's a tiny little mark there, but barely noticeable, and the shape is still really nice as well. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got the Fendi dust bag. And if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so hopefully it should take you directly to this Fendi. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do, if you love it, just let us know. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in one like it, we'll let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with that top handle, again, we've got that on the longest setting on either side at the minute, but it fits really nice comfortably under my shoulder, just there, and it's just got a great, the shape is really nice and comfortable, good for kind of everyday use, and it's a big, good size as well, you can fit a lot in there. Again, if you wanted to have those straps a little bit shorter, then you've got the option to do that. Again, for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there. Sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through our welcome discount code, and then you can use that on your first purchase with us. And don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. If you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, all the details you need to know on that page. So have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.